At cat.
At cat.
Hmm.
At cat.
Hmm.
At hat.
Hmm.
At mat.
Hmm.
At fat.
Hmm.
At rat.
Hmm.
At fat.
Very good, Mitra. Next, you can try it out with and words, Mitra's mom. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is Varsha.
At bat.
Hmm. Huh?
Cat.
At cat. Okay. Hmm. Hmm? For at
And yeah, if fat.
if fat for at fat. Okay. Next.
Hatch இல்ல sound phonic sound phonic sound.
Hat.
இது M இல்ல
No. Very good. Okay. Very good. What is pat, Varsha? What is the meaning of pat? Yeah. Good
What is the
morning,
meaning
Vihan.
of fat? Fat na
Yeah. Good morning, Vihan.
fat is that. சொல்லு.
Patna என்னம்மா Varsha? Patna என்னது?
What is fat?
Very good. Come on, next.
Okay, next.
Rat. Okay. Yes, good morning, Radyani. Ah.
Ras is at as இல்லடா
No.
இது சேர்த்து சொல்லு. This
At. So at. So at that, Varsha also can try it out with and words. Can, fan, man, pan. Like that you can try it out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next. Next is Ananya. All of you take your English notebook. Ananya's mom is echoing.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
It's echoing.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Everyone, those who are joined now, take your English notebook. At words we have already written. That you have to take and keep it ready. Everyone will read now. Okay? Yeah, now try it out, Ananya. Let me see.
Ma'am, is it fine now or it's still echoing?
Now, yeah. No, again it's echoing for me.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. I'll just check. Just a moment.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll finish with Vihan. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Vihan. Unmute yourself, Ma Vihan. Come on. Hmm. 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 Not is at sat. Okay. Well done. Is Vihan trying out with other words and words, am words?
Okay, ma'am.
Not yet.
No, ma'am. He's now working with only add kind of words.
I've already told his mom you can try it out with an words next. Okay,
sure,
can,
I'll
fan, man, pan, ran. Like that you can try it out with an words. Okay. Don't waste time with at words because he has become familiar with at words. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Next. Yes, come on, Ananya. Now can you say? Let me check.
First number.
Come on.
B.
No. At. It is at.
Mm.
Hmm.
B at
B
bat.
at.
Bat.
No.
She's still struggling in like
Why
she's
is
still doing
that?
the
Why is that, Ananya? What? You're not listening to your mama? Yes? Ananya is very smart. What I have observed so far. Okay, try it out, Ananya. No problem. But Ananya's mom, little
yes,
bit you
ma'am.
have to focus on her phonics. That is, add separately. You have to write in a slate and give her.
Yeah,
Like
okay.
you write add separately and the first phonic sound separately. First letter say the phonic sound. First letter phonic sound and then add together.
Yeah,
She
okay,
knows
ma'am.
it is add, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ஏன்னா இப்போ ஒன்னா எழுதிருக்கிறதுனால she is not able to split it out. So what we can do is you write it in a slate. Let me
Okay,
show
ma'am.
you 1 minute. Should be like this. Hat. So you'll get cat. Okay, because some children will take it easy to learn, but many of them will find difficulty in blending sound. So for them, what we have to do is and this is at. Together you will get cat. And
Yeah,
then
okay.
plus at bat. So like this, if you show me, they'll think that this is a separate phonic sound and this is separate, and then they will blend it together. Okay?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
this
okay,
way
ma'am.
you
We'll
have to
try.
give her practice.
Yeah,
Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you,
Ananya,
ma'am.
I'll check with you on Monday, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is who's ready? Next is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar, louder and clearly, Taruneshwar. Hmm. Huh? Taruneshwar, look at me, Taruneshwar. Why are you getting diverted like this? Huh? இங்க பாருங்க மேம் பாருங்க. What is this? Phonic sound. Ka. And what is this? சேர்த்து சொன்னா ka at ka. Like this you have to say. Don't get diverted when you are reading. You have to focus only in your notebook. இங்க அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி படிக்க முடியும்? Yes? You don't want any gift from your mama? Gift வேண்டாமா தருணேஸ்வருக்கு? வேணுமா? வேணும் இல்லையா? அப்ப நல்லா படிக்கணும். Come on, this one, try this. What is the phonic sound of B? Ba. Very good, Tarneshwar. 18 என்னது? This one. At. சேர்த்தோம்னா together if you blend it. That. That's it. Now you are able to read. Yes or no? Like this you have to read. On Monday I'll check again with you. Okay? Yes, Tarneshwar? Thumbs up. Yes or no? எஸ் வெரி குட் தருணேஸ்வர். தருணேஸ்வர் அம்மா இப்படிதான் நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் கொடுக்கணும் தருணேஸ்வருக்கு தனியா ஸ்லேட்ல எழுதி. ஓகே டில் ஹி சார்ட்ஸ் அவுட் ஹவு டு ரீட் blend தி வேர்ட்ஸ். அவங்க blend பண்ண கத்துக்கிற வரைக்கும் இதே மாதிரியே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும் இன் ஸ்லேட் செப்பரேட்லி. or else if you want to copy down in your notebook in the same way also you can copy it down. The same words, just split the initial sound and add separately and then together you write it. Okay? Yes. Next is Radhyarni. Radhyarni is taking lot of leave. Why ma Radhyarni?
Ma'am, yesterday her brother had a fever, ma'am, and cold.
Oh.
So we went for a doctor hospital. It's
Hmm.
get later, late, ma'am, so we can't attend the class.
Okay. Because now reading practice is going on, so I don't want any of the children to miss those classes. That's it. Okay, come on, read the words, ma. Radhyarni.
Seri.
Add words.
B up B
Be at, no? B.
ba
Bat.
Hmm.
ba
சத்தமா சொல்லு. அது கவனிக்காத,
Don't look
நீங்க
at your
கவனிக்காத,
brother. Look at your notebook and read.
பாரு. Cat.
ka ka
F sound. Cat.
fa
சொல்லு, சேர்த்து சொல்லிட்டே இரு.
fa
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Fat.
fa
Good. Next.
வச்சுக்க.
ha
சேர்த்து சொல்லிட்டே இரு.
Hat.
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 Imat.
imat
Mat.
சொல்லிட்டே இரு.
imat imat
என்ன வருது? Mat.
Mat.
Speak sound.
At.
pa pa pa
Hat. Rat. Sat. Is it like a rhyme for you? Okay, very good, Radhyarni. But Monday again I'll check with you. Okay. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Visha, Kidzi Anthem, Visha.
Yeah, Timmy. Need my life.
No. From the beginning, Kidzi Anthem. Kidzi Anthem. You are within me.
Yeah, Timmy.
You are infinite.
Night.
You are unique.
Need
My potential inside.
inside.
You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good morning, children. Good morning. Yes, very good morning. Keep standing. Yes, very good morning, children. Keep standing for the warm-up activity.
வார்ம் பண்ணுவியா?
Very good, all of you. Now, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan. Dashwan.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Dashwan.
Very good, Dashwan.
Hazel.
Hazel.
Hazel is absent.
Hazel is absent.
Mute yourself,
Mute
Dashwan. It's
yourself, Dashwan.
echoing.
It's echoing.
Radyarni.
Radyarni. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
It's very good.
Rudvin.
Rudvin.
Dashwan, mute
Dashwan,
yourself, ma
mute yourself,
Dashwan.
Dashwan.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Very good, Rudvin.
Very
Sara.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sara. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavikartika. Absent. Mahirini. Why lot of absentees today? Mitra.
Ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. 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 I'm marking you, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Here I am.
Very good, Vihan. Okay, now tell me, children, what are the extinct animals? What are the extinct animals? Tell me. 3 extinct animals are there. What are those? Who knows the answer? Huh? Extinct animals. Dinosaur. Very good.
Dinosaur.
Next.
Dodo.
Mammoth. Very good, Ananya. Good.
Mammoth.
Next.
Dodo.
Dodo. Very good, Varsha. Dinosaur, mammoth, dodo. These are extinct animals. Okay. Now tell me any 3 reptiles. Reptiles. Reptiles will
Snake.
crawl on the ground.
Snake, lizard, crocodile, tortoise.
Tortoise. Very good. Any 3 reptile, Varsha? Varsha, any 3 reptile?
Tortoise,
Hmm. Hmm.
snake,
Hmm.
lizard,
Hmm. Crocodile. Very good. Chameleon also. Okay, very good. Next, Mitra. Reptiles. Any 3 reptiles? Any 3?
snake,
Ah.
lizard,
Hmm.
crocodile.
Very good. Ananya, any 3 reptiles?
Crocodile, snake,
Hmm.
octopus.
Octopus. Choo choo. Snake, lizard. Next. Huh? Snake, lizard. Next, one more. Crocodile. Crocodile, tortoise, chameleon. All these are reptiles. Okay. And then Sarah, which is an amphibian? Only one amphibian we
Frog.
learned so far. Very good. Frog. Okay, thank you. Okay, next is come on, children. Let me know the 4 life stages of a frog. What is the first stage? Life cycle of a frog. What is the first stage? Egg. Very good, Pitra. Second, number 2, what is the second stage?
Tadpole.
Tadpole. Very good. Third stage. Third stage. What is the third stage? Froglet. No, froglet. Froglet. Very good. And then fourth stage, adult frog. Okay. What is the difference between the froglet and the adult frog? What can you see in the froglet that you can't see, cannot see in the adult frog? What is that? Frogletல இருக்கும் ஆனா adult frogல இருக்காது. What is that?
Tail.
Tail. Very good, Vihan. Tail. Froglet has a tail, but the adult frog doesn't have a tail. Very good. Now next we'll move on to our rhymes. Okay, first is over. Okay. Where has my little dog gone? Where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Where can he be? And our next rhyme is under a web. Okay, under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, and then next we'll move on to our alphabet. For that, I need all of you to take your English notebook, children. First, all of you take your English notebook. Write today's date. Today's date is 2/2/22 dash 10 dash 21/21. Parents, copy down this in their English notebook and give it to them. Let them write the small letters for this. Capital letters, okay? Just copy down these alphabets, capital letters. Three more letters are there. Once you finish, please let me know, parents. Parents can copy down and give it to your child. Finished? Finish copying it down, parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, everyone? Is there anyone still copying down? Okay, I'm going to erase it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. These three. So totally you have 15 letters. Finish it and give it to them, parents. Next, take their maths notebook and copy down the sums which I am giving you now. After they finish this alphabet, they have to finish the missing numbers also. Finish copying this. Yeah, parents, copy down this missing numbers in your maths notebook, in your child's maths notebook. Finished, ma? Very good. Parents, please don't teach them how to write these small letters. If it is wrong, straight away give them wrong. Ask them, that is not correct, that is wrong. They have to correct it at least for 5 times, they have to rewrite it. If you teach them now, they will never be clear with the small letters. Six sums given here, 4 more sums are there. When you finish, please let me know. I will give you another 4 sums. Finish copying it down. Shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Four more sums, copy it down. So totally they will be having 10 sums to do. What did you finish, ma? Numbers are
Alphabets.
alphabet. Yes, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone copy it down, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Let's start doing it, children. Missing numbers. Let them do the numbers, parents. You need not teach them. They know how to do. I want you to copy this in their English notebook. Parents, I want you to copy this in their English notebook. Ananya, yesterday you didn't do one worksheet. Did you finish that, Ananya?
No, ma'am, she didn't complete. She couldn't before
Sorry?
and after, ma'am. Still, she's getting confused with before and after.
Before and after number. Okay, don't finish that worksheet. Let me teach her one more time on Monday. Okay? When she grabs
Okay.
that concept, let her do it. Okay? You don't force her to do. Let it.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Ananya ma, first you have to listen, Ananya. Okay, ma'am என்ன சொல்றாங்க நல்லா கவனிக்கணும். Okay? Yes? All the time you should not play.
Wait.
சரியா விளையாட கூடாது கவனிக்கணும் மேம் சொல்லும்போது. Okay? Okay. Come on, start doing your test. Finished your test. Very good. Parents, correct their test and then copy this in their English notebook. Very good. I finished, ma'am. Mitra, try speaking in English. I finished, ma'am.
I finished, ma'am.
Yeah, that's good. Well done. Get it corrected from your mama. Very good, Bihan. Get it corrected.
Ma'am, Vihan is finding difficult with 20s, 30s, 40s.
Tens counting should be given practice regularly. 10, 20, 30, 40. If they are practicing tens counting regularly only, they'll find it easy.
Okay, which means
1,
he is
0,
able
10.
to say, ma'am, but he is not able to write. So which means
That's
writing
it.
practice.
How you have to give practice is 1, 0, 10, 2, 0, 20, 3, 0, 30. Like that you have to give them practice in tens counting. And once they find out 19 after you get 20, they'll automatically write 2, 0 is 20.
Okay.
English, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Radhyarni. Parents, please let me know their problem, what they are facing. Then only I can guide them with some more activities that can boost how they can be clear with that concept. So please let me know. Don't teach them. So far they have learnt a lot. So don't teach them. If they are finding difficulty, we can move on with even more activities. So please let me know if they are finding it difficult to do any of the activity that I am giving them.
Ma'am, adverts, they have to match the words, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll tell them how to match. You just copy it down.
Okay.
Everyone has finished your numbers? Missing numbers? Varsha,
Writing, ma'am.
Sarah?
Ananya is still doing, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. If Sarah is finding difficulty, you can guide her, Sarah's mom. For Sarah and Rudwin alone. Others, you have to do it on your own.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
You can keep that 1 to 50 numbers that we have written already. You can keep that next to them and you can guide them. Only for Sarah and Rudwin, not others. Others should do it on your own. Jaldi karo, Sarah. Dashwan, what are you doing? Always digging your nose, Dashwan. What are you doing? Are you writing or not? Eduthrீங்களா இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing? Show me your notebook.
No.
What are you writing now? Rashwan. Finish copying this down, parents. Children, did you finish numbers? Mitra finish. Vihan finish. Radyani
Yeah, ma'am. She already finished, ma'am.
finished. Okay. Ananya.
No, ma'am. She's still doing.
Which
She's
sum you are
just playing
doing?
with the numbers.
No, Ananya, don't play. This is 1 hour class. 1 hour you have to listen, okay? Afterwards you can go and play. Yes? Do it fast. சீக்கிரம் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Okay, ma. Varsha finished?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Parents, after the session, take a snap of the test that is given today. That is only the numbers. No need of sending the alphabet that I have given. Send only the numbers test that they have written. Okay? Visha's mom, don't make her cry. She's not able to do. Let her take her own time and do it slowly. No problem. After she finishes the test, take a snap and send it to me. Okay? இப்போ அழ வச்சு பண்ண வேண்டாம். Okay, now take your English notebook, children. For Ananya also take your own time, Ananya. Finish it and then you send it, okay? Slowly.
Thank you, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. Yes, others, come on. Shall we do this activity? So here what you are going to do is you are going to match, okay? See here, bat. Where is the bat word here? B-A-T, bat. Here. Like this you will match. Next is at, together you get cat. Where is cat? Here. And next is at, fat. Where is the word fat? This one or this one? Which is fat? Fat. That is F-A-T, fat. Where is F-A-T, fat? Here. So match it. And then her at hat. You have it here. So her at hat. Like this you will match. Come on, match it. Spell. Yeah, you have to read and match it, children. B at bat. K at cat. F at fat. H at hat. Like that you have to match, children. Sleep, Madhashwan sleeping. Where is your notebook? Did you match?
Ma'am.
Who finished? Very good, Visha. Very good, Vihan. Match பண்ணும்போதே you have to read. B at bat. K at cat. F at fat. H at hat.
I finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Mitra.
Happy. finished, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Varsha. Finish? Okay, now alphabet test. Who made mistakes in that small letters? Anyone, did you make mistake in writing the small letters? Everyone wrote it correctly?
Yeah, ma'am. Radyalini is make a mistake in Y, ma'am.
Why?
Yeah.
Radyarni, why is that? Again, why?
It's, capital letter மாதிரியே எழுதுறாங்க Y, small letter.
Capital letter.
Start in a
எப்படி
first
காட்டுங்க
letter.
பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி எழுதிருக்கீங்கன்னு. Capital letter Y and small letter Y will be the same தான், ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். But the line is different. 4 lineல எழுதுறது தான் different ஆ இருக்கும். Capital letter Y will be like this, correct-ஆ?
Yes, ma'am.
எப்படி எழுதுறாங்க small letter Y? காட்டுங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம். D தான் தெரியும். Y.
Y.
கீழே இறக்கி எழுதணும் அவ்வளவுதான். But correct only what she has written. Okay? Like this she has to write. Okay, அப்படி எழுதினாலும் சரிதான். இல்லனா நம்ம கர்சிவ் எழுதும் போது எழுதுற மாதிரி எழுதினாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். யூ மாதிரி போட்டு இப்படி போட்டு சொன்னாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். Both are fine. Anyway, they are going to learn in cursive like this next year. Senior KG la they are going to learn like this only. Anyway, even if they write like this also it is correct. If they write like this also it is correct. But the line what they are following is from the blue line to the red line. Not from the red line to blue line. Adha mattum clear ah sollidunga. For everyone I am telling. Even if you write Y in this way also it is correct. Anyway, you will be changing to write the Y in this way. So if you write Y like this also, you madri potu, then when you bring it down like this also, it is fine. If you write like this also, it is fine. That is correct only. Need not worry about that. Okay, Radyani's mom?
Okay, ma'am.
எது உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கும் எழுதுறதுக்கு, like that you can teach her. No problem in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Fine. Any other issues, parents? Did they make mistakes in any other letters? Ananya?
Yes, ma'am. For Ananya, for Y and L, what she's doing is she's writing within the 2 blue lines itself, ma'am. So she's not.
You have to extend it to the red line. Okay, Ananya? That for that you have to guide her with the dots. Why she is writing in which way? This way or this way?
In the middle one, ma'am. Then
This one.
which we are practicing. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that one you guide her with the dots first. இந்த மாதிரி டாட்ஸ்ல கைட் பண்ணுங்க. First you guide her with the dots, blue line to red line. You have to continue from the blue line to the red line. Or else like this also you can keep dots for her. Let her join it like this. Okay? Either continuous dots or 3 dots. Using 3 or 4 dots you can guide her. Then it will be easy for her. She will catch up with that. Okay? No issues in that.
Okay.
Another letter, what did you say?
L, ma'am. For L,
L.
also she's not starting with the red line to blue line. So she's doing it blue to blue itself.
So before starting writing the L letter எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி you tell her both L letter will start from the red line. Either it is capital or the small letter. Capital L red line ல தான் ஆரம்பிக்கும், small letter red line ல தான்மா ஆரம்பிக்கும் அப்படின்னு அவங்க எழுதுறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே when you advise her, she will not do that mistake. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Next. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Any other issues, parents? Everyone? Rudvin Amma?
Yes, ma'am. He is identifying, but when the line problem இருக்குங்க ma'am. லைன்ல வந்து கரெக்ட்டா எழுத மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க.
He is not writing in the line. Then you have to guide him with the dots. Still line எழுத மாட்டறாங்கன்னு சொல்லவே கூடாது. It's already time up. As far I have noticed, if you guide him with the dots, he is able to write. So don't leave that way. Whatever you are giving him practice, and the practice you have to improvise. அதை விட்டுட்டு அந்த practice குறைக்க கூடாது எப்பவுமே. ஓகேங்களா? எந்த practice கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கீங்களோ அதை கண்டினியூஸா கொடுங்க. அதை விட எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கொடுத்தாலும் கொடுக்கணுமே தவிர கம்மி பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே? Thank you. Is everyone written correctly? Very good, children. Thank you so much. I need the snapshot of the numbers, missing numbers that you have written in your notebook. Send it to me. I'll check it out because that is for observation, children. Okay? So thank you so much for your cooperation, children. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Yes, bye, everyone. Bye and thank you, everyone. Yeah, thank you, children. Bye, bye. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, Mitra. Bye, Ananya. Bye, Dashwan. Bye, Visha. Yes, Visha's mom.
மேம் நம்ம சொல்லும்போது கரெக்டா சொல்றாங்க ஆனா எழுதும் போது தப்பா எழுதுறா மேம் இப்போ 43க்கு அப்புறம் 44 ன்னு சொல்றா ஆனா எழுதும் போது மட்டும் 41 ன்னு எழுதிட்டா அது அந்த மாதிரி தான் நிறைய த்ரீ மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் மேம்
நோட்ல அவங்க 1 to 50 எழுதிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? அது எப்படி ரீடிங் பிராக்டிஸ் கொடுக்க போறீங்கன்னா நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி தான் 1 1 11 1 2 12 அந்த மாதிரி எல்லா சீரீஸுமே அவங்க தனித்தனியா சொல்லணும். 3 1 31 3 2 32 ன்னு சொல்லும் போது கண்டினியூஸா 1 வீக் அந்த மாதிரி பிராக்டிஸ் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா அடுத்த தடவை 44 ன்னு நீங்க சொல்லும் போதே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி she will write 4 4 44.
எஸ் மேம்
ஓகேங்களா? because she is able to identify the number but she is not able to visualize that number. அதுதான் மெயினா இருக்க ப்ராப்ளம்.
கரெக்ட்டா நான் சொல்றேன் ஆனா எழுதும் போது தப்பு.
அதுதான் எல்லா கிளாஸ் அப்போ நான் ரிப்பீட்டடா சொல்றேன் நம்பரை சொல்லி சொல்லி எழுதுங்கன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு மெயின் காரணம் இதுதான். நீங்க வீட்ல படிக்க வைக்கும் போதும் நம்பரை தனித்தனியா சொல்லி படிக்கிற மாதிரி வைக்கணும்.
எஸ் மேம்
ஓகேங்களா? டபுள் 2 டிஜிட் நம்பர் எல்லாமே தனித்தனியா சொல்லி சொல்லணும். 1 to 12 2 to 22 3 5 35 அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லணும்.
எஸ் மேம்
சொன்னா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். சரிங்களா? ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ. பை விஷா.
பை மேம்.
எஸ், பை.